Bullish Desert Spring Organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 57 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Rose could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Desert Garden Organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Desert Garden Organization presentation. Desert Garden Organization has previously drawn in a ton of interest from the local area with its central goal to offer DApps and the information economy a speedy and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Desert Spring Organization value expectation. In any case, how does various elements affect the Desert Spring Organization cost expectation? Here is a synopsis of the undertaking all in all before we investigate the Rose cost expectation. What is the Desert Spring Organization? Desert Spring Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher Daybreak Melody of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Desert Garden Organization. Desert Spring Organization creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It depicts itself as the main protection-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a capable information economy. The organization's retrogressive similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications, like the decentralized trade Uniswap, from Ethereum to the Desert Spring blockchain. The organization's local utility cache, called Rose, is utilized for marking and appointment at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange expenses. Out of an all-out fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off dissemination supply of 1.5 billion. Over the long run, delegators and stakers will get motivators for defending the organization and how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Desert Garden Organization Central Examination. Desert Garden Organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes confirmation of stake, as was at that point portrayed. It is additionally the business' most memorable security-centered exertion for open money. The objective of digital currencies is to rush the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions right now available. The organization asserts that the Desert Garden blockchain is very versatile due to two parts. These are alluded to by the Desert Spring Organization as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it workable for various exchanges to be completed simultaneously, speeding up in general handling execution. The site asserts that contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A vital part of the drive, as per the Desert Garden Organization, is protection. The drive utilizes a solid figuring stage called confided in execution climate, which, as per Desert Spring Organization, shields savvy contract execution and ensures that information is never presented to designers or validators. Clients can feel more calm realizing that those Druin will approach their delicate information on account of this. The site likewise offers what it terms tokenized information, a sort of computerized resources. This component, as indicated by Desert Spring Organization, gives clients command over the information they produce. Desert Garden Organization is looking to rethink information possession as opposed to customary innovation, where companies control the data they assemble to make an additional dependable information economy. With these security qualities, the gathering desires to open up an extensive variety of new use cases. Furthermore, it will ensure that applications can deal with basic information, like banking and well-being data, without clients stressing over the information being compromised, the organization claims. Desert Garden Organization Specialized Investigation. In spite of the fact that it is challenging to give 100% exact specialized examination to the Desert Spring Organization cryptographic money, Trading View's strong specialized examination apparatus permits you to see the accumulated Rose trade rating progressively for the pick time span. The most generally utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the groundwork of the ROSE USD report. Gov Capital, in a hopeful gauge, gives Rose a bullish cost expectation for a considerable length of time. The stage predicts a steady expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. In like manner, digital coin price additionally sees the coin expanding in esteem. The gateway predicts an expansion in normal cost yet at a somewhat more slow speed. Desert Garden Organization current cost. Desert Garden Organization is at present worth 5 cents USD. Rose has moved 3.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $22,830,802. Desert Garden Organization is at present positioned 108 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $293,708,214 USD. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2022. Desert Garden Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Rose cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 8 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Rose is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Desert Spring Organization Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 14 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Rose's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 20 cents and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 18 cents and a low of 17 cents in 2024. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 26 cents, with a base cost of 23 cents and a typical cost of 24 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 30 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 29 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Rose has a greatest value worth of 32 cents. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 36 cents. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 38 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Rose needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 35 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2028. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 40 cents and a yearly cost close above 43 cents in 2028. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Desert Garden Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 46 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 49 cents, averaging out at 47 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation